Hello everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. I am Arpita Sharma, your educator, and we are going to study Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana today. So we are going to cover all the important yojanas, government schemes, indices, programs, policies for your upcoming preliminary examination. Even if you're giving your prelims examination in 2021 or 22 or 23, these classes are going to be really helpful for all of you. Let's start with decoding the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, which is India's largest financial inclusion exercise launched by our government. We are also going to solve one question related to this Yojana, which was asked in prelims previously from the previous year question paper. In every class, we are going to do the same exercise. First, we'll study the entire Yojana and then we are going to solve questions based on it from the previous year question paper. Okay? So that will help you understand the Yojana and understand the type of questions that UPSC is framing from these Yojanas, and they are very easy. Don't be scared. If you're studying these Yojanas properly now, then you can answer any question on them with ease. Okay, so let's begin. Let's start. Before we start the class, here's a small announcement for all of you. Unacademy has launched new batches for UPSC CSE 2022 and 23 aspirants, which are starting from 10th of March 2021, that is tomorrow. You can instantly get 10% discount. If you use code ARPITA10, आप easily 10% discount gain कर सकते हो अगर आप ये code use करते हो ARPITA10. So on Unacademy, we have different batches for your needs. For example, we have Ultimate UPSC CSE 2022 batch in bilingual, which is starting from tomorrow. Then we have Expedition UPSC CSE 2022 batch in English, again starting from tomorrow. Then we have a crash course also for Prelims 2021, again starting from tomorrow. And we have a 2-year batch course for all of you if you are preparing for 2023 in English and in bilingual language, again starting from 10th of March 2021. So here, top Unacademy educators will cover the important concepts for UPSC CSE prelims, and these courses would be helpful for aspirants preparing for UPSC CSE exams. UPSC CSE aspirants at any stage of their preparation will be benefited from these courses. The courses will be covered in bilingual Hindi and English language, so do not miss this opportunity. Enroll now. Link is in the description box below the video. Use code ARPITA10 to get 10% discount as well. So on this note, let us start our session. इसी नोट पर हम अपना आज की क्लास स्टार्ट करते हैं without any delay. Let's begin. Also, you will be getting the class PDF on our Telegram channel, Simplifying UPSC with Ease. So when we talk about the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, it is a part of National Mission for Financial Inclusion. The Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana is the National Mission for Financial Inclusion, which completed its 6 years of successful implementation back in 2022. 2020 में प्रधानमंत्री जनधन योजना जो है इसने अपने 6 साल कंप्लीट किए थे. ठीक है, क्योंकि ये जो योजना है ये 2014 में लॉन्च हुई थी, तो इसलिए 2015 में इसके ऊपर प्रीलिम्स में क्वेश्चन आया था. इन 2015 a question came in prelims. So Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana is a financial inclusion program of the government of India which is open to the Indian citizens, and the aim is to expand the affordable access to financial services like bank accounts, credit, remittances, insurance, pensions, etc. So this program was launched on 28th of August 2014. 6 साल पहले, अब तो 7 साल हो जाएंगे इस साल अगस्त में, तो अप्रोक्सीमेटली 6 साल इसके पूरी तरीके से कंप्लीट हो गए हैं. So the number of total Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana accounts stand at 40.35 crore. Rural Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana accounts stand at 63.6% and women accounts stand at 55.2%. It was announced on 15th August, launched on 28th August, and it is National Mission for Financial Inclusion to ensure access to financial services like banking services, savings accounts, deposit accounts, credit, insurance, pension in affordable manner. That was the purpose of launching this Yojana, so that everybody can be included in the financial system of the country. It is run by Department of Financial Services. Please write it down. Department of Financial Services जो है वो इस प्रोग्राम की हेड है, and it is under Ministry of Finance, that you have to remember. Under this scheme, 15 million bank accounts were opened on the inauguration day itself. 28th August को 15 million accounts open up हो गए थे. And the Guinness Book of World Records recognized this achievement by stating that the most bank accounts opened in 1 week as a part of financial inclusion campaign, it is 18,96,130, and it was achieved from August 23rd to 29th when this program was announced. Okay, so you can say approximately $792 billion were deposited under the scheme in the first week of the launch of the program. So what are the objectives of this program? The objective is to ensure access of financial products and services at affordable cost and use of technology to lower cost and widen the reach of the banking sector, financial sector to the people. Okay, that is the purpose, that is the objective of this particular program. ये आपको याद रखना है इस program का objective क्या है. So what are the basic tenets of this particular scheme? First of all, you have to remember that this particular scheme, under the scheme, a basic savings account or savings bank deposit account can be opened in any bank or any branch or business correspondent, that is the bank mitra outlet, by persons not having any other account. अगर आपके पास कोई और अकाउंट नहीं है तो आप एक बेसिक सेविंग बैंक डिपॉजिट अकाउंट ओपन अप कर सकते हो किसी भी बैंक के ब्रांच में. ठीक है. सो first of all, banking the unbanked, opening of basic bank deposit account with minimal paperwork, relaxed KYC or e-KYC account opening in camp mode, zero balance and zero charge. मतलब एक होता है ना, when you open up a bank account, you need to maintain a minimum balance. Here it is not required. So the unbanked can be included in the banking sector. Securing the unsecured, issuance of indigenous debit cards for cash withdrawals and payments at merchant locations with free accident insurance coverage of rupees 2 lakh. So they are providing security also to the unsecured people, and funding the unfunded. Other financial products like micro insurance, overdraft for consumption, micro pension, micro credit will be provided. So the unfunded will be provided funding. Unsecured will be secured by providing them free accident insurance coverage of rupees 2 lakh. And the unbanked will be included in the banking sector. These are the basic tenets, or you can say basic principles of the program, of the scheme, that you have to remember for prelims. The scheme is based upon the 6 pillars. 6 pillars हैं जिसके ऊपर ये scheme को खड़ा किया गया है. First is universal access to banking services, branch and banking correspondents. So the bank mitras or banking correspondents, different bank branches will be accessible to people for opening their accounts. Second is basic savings bank accounts with overdraft facility of rupees 10,000 to every household will be provided. Third is financial literacy program will be launched so that use of ATMs will be promoted. People will be educated how to use the savings account, how to use the ATMs, how they can get the credit, how they can get the insurance facilities, pensions, etc. How they can use mobile phones for phone banking. Okay, so financial literacy will be provided. Then fourth is creation of credit guarantee fund to provide banks some kind of guarantee against the defaults. What will happen if the people are taking credit and they are not repaying it back? So in that case, credit guarantee fund will be provided to protect the banks also. Then insurance, accident cover of up to rupees 1 lakh and life cover of 30,000 on account opened between 15th August 2014 to 31st Jan 2015. So the unsecured will be secured. And sixth is pension scheme for unorganized sector. These are the 6 pillars on which this particular scheme or yojana is based upon, that you have to remember again for prelims. So this program was launched in 2 phases. 2 phases में इस program को launch किया गया था. The extension of the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana was done with new features. For example, the focus shift was from the every household to every unbanked adult. पहले क्या था initially कि हर household को cover करेंगे. फिर इसका focus shift किया गया कि हर unbanked adult, यानी कि जिसका कोई ताल्लुकात नहीं है बैंक से, कोई account नहीं खोला अब तक, उसको भी cover किया जाएगा. Then we have the RuPay debit card with rupees 1 lakh accident insurance. So free accidental insurance cover on RuPay cards increased from 1 lakh to 2 lakhs. Over here we studied ना कि यहाँ पर 1 lakh का मिलेगा insurance cover, इसको increase कर दिया गया 2 lakh तक. ठीक है, free insurance cover up to rupees 2 lakh for Prime Minister Jan Dhan Yojana accounts which are opened after 20th of August 2018. And the OD limit was doubled from 5,000 to 10,000. Okay. So over here, these were the extensions of the features of Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. So the question is, how is Jan Dhan Yojana different? So here the households which are targeted, they are targeted as a unit. We are not going towards different villages to target the people. We are targeting households as a complete unit. And both rural and urban areas are being covered. Special focus will be on digital financial inclusion. That means spreading financial literacy digitally. So now based on this, let us solve a question which was asked 10 prelims 2015. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana has been launched for A. Providing housing loan to poor people at cheaper interest rates, promoting women's self-help groups in backward areas, promoting financial inclusion in the country, providing financial help to marginalized communities. So which of the following options are correct? Very easy question. देखो अगर आपने पढ़ा है तो easy है ना. 2 marks लाना is very easy if you have studied the program in detail. Correct answer to this question is C. Promoting financial inclusion in the country, because we have studied that Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana is India's biggest financial inclusion exercise which is launched by our government. So this was all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's session. उम्मीद करती हूँ आज की क्लास आपको अच्छी लगी होगी. If you really enjoyed this class, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this video, and also share this video with the other UPSC CSE aspirants as well, so that they can also simplify their UPSC CSE preparation journey. The class PDF will be uploaded on our Telegram channel, Simplifying UPSC with Ease. The link is given below in the description box. Thank you and have a beautiful day ahead.